This
I cannot,
is nice.
I cannot let up. I cannot let up.
What's up, y'all? Oh, my headscarf's so nasty. They ain't no glue. I'm on the way to Dallas to my friend's house. We were supposed to leave at 8:30, but I'm not gonna pull up till like 8:41. But she ain't say nothing about cooking nothing this morning.
3 minutes to get North Western Road.
But that's the update.
Fucking with me trying to
All I talk about, even when I dream about. See, I'm your picture girl.
Look at my little transition lens.
Had to come to the store, give me some of this shit.
No, too bad. It's okay. They gonna come back.
Not the glue on edges over here, girl. You see him?
What the heck?
They got glue on edges.
Yeah, baby hair.
That's too much. I need a lip liner.
What about?
And I need a pink lipstick or something.
I need to get down with the mix in here like that.
Y'all look at this.
You gonna tell him to come on like I ain't got a hold of him? No, he not gonna come. No. I need to look for some more.
Move, Braxton. And he was trying to sniff somebody.
You need to have some home training. Shoot. He's up in here showing out, Kayla.
Let me see.
Daddy gone somewhere.
Oh, that's the same. Oh,
They
okay.
just go
It's volume.
and block you.
Yeah. Yeah, we had Popeyes.
Have to feed our belly before.
I already ate something. I ate some sausage and biscuit. But that was, how long that?
Huh?
Hours ago.
That was like 9 o'clock this
Do you
morning.
have
Yeah.
grape jelly?
So before
grape jelly.
we get lit, we need food.
And we already took one shot, y'all.
This weekend.
I ain't record. I put it on my Instagram.
And get
So stay tuned.
I wonder how big it
One of the damn decoration.
You play too much.
Yeah, I didn't see.
I went Spear Halloween. I didn't tell them, but they was on.
Table runner, centerpiece. They don't have like that.
Y'all look at Braxton up in, where he at?
You have it right here.
Y'all look at this baby. That is scary though. I sit outside on my porch so people won't come up there. How they look.
And you got
Girl, look at these little dogs.
this is so scary.
No, especially this one.
You vlogging all this?
Mm-hmm. Oh, that do look scary.
I'm getting this. Yes. Lord, people so scared.
Friend, you ain't scared.
It's like that, baby girl. Cheerleader shop, tell me.
Okay, y'all, we just made it back to her friend's house. We had a long day and we ran around, ate stuff. So now I'm finna jump in the shower and then I'm finna start getting dressed because we need to start getting dressed and doing our hair and makeup. So I'm gonna come back after I get out the shower and y'all gonna like get dressed with me. Okay, y'all, I'm not gonna show y'all my whole outfit until I'm done, but y'all kind of probably get the gif already. I gotta do my hair and my makeup. What should I do first? I think I'm gonna do my makeup first, only because I already got my hair tied back. I'll take mine. I had to refreshen up. Y'all can't really see it good on the camera right now, but I had to refreshen up my baby hair last night. Well, really my whole wig. So when I get halfway done my makeup or whatever, I'm gonna come back. Yeah, I'm baking my face. Okay, y'all, this is it. I look so bright up in here, but this is the outfit. Let me put the camera down. This is the outfit, y'all. Playboy bunny. I said yeah. I should have had some gloves. That would have been good. That would have been better if I would have had some gloves. But we gonna work with what we got, cause this really was like a last minute outfit. Well, costume. Last minute costume. I think I did pretty good. Y'all already know I'm gonna take some pictures and I'm gonna post them on Instagram. So make sure y'all follow my Instagram at Maya D Dunn. If y'all don't follow me, go follow me so y'all can see my pictures. And make sure y'all follow my TikTok too, because I'm gonna be doing TikTok videos. So make sure y'all follow my TikTok at Maya Tequila. It's the same as my YouTube name. But yes, y'all, this is it. So I'm waiting on them to get finished. I'm finna clean up my little mess I made in the bathroom, and I'm gonna come back once we take another shot. What?
You in them shoes.
What's wrong?
That's how you walking still?
Girl, that's how I be walking, for real. That's how I be walking. Let me see what's that. Guess I get on this side.
Well.
This ain't no playground, girl. We grown.
My father's generation, the greatest generation, fought and sacrificed to hand out America to mine. But today, President Biden is projecting weakness, and weakness invites aggression. From the surrender of Afghanistan to Putin's invasion of Ukraine to the Chinese Communist Party's aggression, America's enemies are
Girl wouldn't even, so I can get a feature. I wouldn't even so I can get a feature on the YouTube on Maya the Dunn. So when she go up, girl, I can go back and show the video to everybody, you know?
Yeah, go follow her Instagram. I'm gonna put it on there.
Put it on.
Shot time.
Today I'm supposed to be Barbie, but let me tell y'all, my damn shoes hurt my feet so bad. Well, yeah, that's done, but it's real smooth. That's cute, say that.
We're gonna do some TikTok, so y'all make sure y'all follow my TikTok.
Oh, let's do the clips for the TikTok.
That's it. Shot take one shot. Tashay. I said Tashay. Shot take one. Pooh. And Pooh gotta take three.
A few moments later.
Up to it, down to it. Girl, I had multiple.
I don't think you did. I don't think you did. I don't think you did. What you talking about? No.
When I'm laying on the floor, you have to keep
It's okay.
You gonna have to pull me off.
I ain't seen shit. Okay, go ahead. Cause Maya, she faking, y'all. She faking drunk.
We gonna keep this going.
We got all night.
1 hour later.
Y'all, it's the next morning. What time is it? 11:07. We finna go get some breakfast. Well, someone's cooking breakfast. One of the girls from last night. Is somebody in this car? I ain't never seen no buildings like this color. They always be bricked out.
A couple months ago.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How y'all doing? It might be hot in here. You can turn the air on. It's fine. Okay, bitch. Bitch, you giving me travel luxury vibes. Stop playing with me.
There you go.
Like every major category of awesomeness in my book.
Like, I feel like he genuinely think he can go in there in them carts now. Like, cause he does it every time we're in the store now. So he never does it in the car though, and it's probably because he's always laying in my lap and he can't go nowhere to do it.
Oh, you driving? Look, man. Oh, she got me driving. Oh.
I cannot let up.